Alright, back again working on the knife. Had an idea last night that if I take an inch off the top of the handle, I can then put this little wooden block that I got chopped up in the drill press on top of it. So that way it just looks a little nicer rather than just having the plain oak. So, to that. There we go. Now I just got to get rid of that little middle section, file it clean, should be good. There we go, got it to fit. Still a little bit of a gap, but I'm thinking I might try to keep that maybe. If not, I can just file it down a little more until it sits flush. Now I need to chop the other part of the handle up, get it to sit there. Alright, so got it cut up and everything, but that gap is now a lot bigger, so yeah, gonna have a little bit of fun with that. Alright, just done a little sanding on the spine, cut the tail off. Just need to shave this down on the belt sander. Actually, I'll use the hand plane then the belt sander. Get back to you when that's done. Alright, work with the hand planes done, and it's onto the belt sander. Alright, now she's done. Finished on the shaping here for the handle. Now I've got to start on the block for the top. Get that down to about the right size. Alright, so just been sitting there at the sander for a while and it is looking heaps better now. Actually looking a lot more knife-like. But for now, that's pretty much all finished. I'm going to throw the blade back into the tempering oven for another cycle. And after it's done that, I'm going to heat up the tang and blade transition just so that's even softer and it doesn't snap. Just pulled the knife out of the tempering oven after its second cycle. And I'm going to go heat up the tang transition here and get that all softened up. Alright, transition's nice and tempered now. That hopefully shouldn't snap. Now, clean it up. Alright, that's as clean as I'm going to worry about getting it. Alright, so got this other piece of wood here. I'm going to drill some holes like I did with this piece just to fill that gap. Got the holes drilled, now I'll file it clean just like I did with the other one. Alright, slight problem. I was checking the fit and it kinda snapped. So, fuck it. Anyway, now that piece is snapped, I'm going to move on to the last stage that I do for the blade, and that is to put it in vinegar for about a day. Sorry, I was wrong. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to thin out this edge just a little bit more. Alright, got the blade polished up to 600 grit on the belt sander. I'm going to start the hand sanding. Alright, I've been out here for about 45 minutes hand sanding this one side of the blade, and as much as I want to say that it's done, I'm still on the first grit and there's still marks in it. So I'm going to call it quits for today here. Go inside, get this video edited and uploaded, come back out and finish it tomorrow.